Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this cool toned neutral look, so if you'd like to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to be going into two palettes today. I have not played with a pure Midnight Masquerade palette yet, so I wanted to give that a go. But first, since there's only a one matte shade in that, I went in with the pure Suede Diaries palette, I believe this is called. And I'm taking that brown shade and I'm just fluffing that into my crease using a Wet n Wild blending brush as my transition shade.
Breaking even with a smile, solace will come till I defy the odds of trial.
Then I'm going into this slightly darker brown shade, and I'm also running that into my crease using the same brush. Sorry if you hear dogs in the background. I'm filming this on my porch right now.
These set dreams are proven to be real. They've left no bruises, I'm still human. There's nothing left to heal. I'm finally
Then I'm taking that dark brown shade from the Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm using a defining crease brush, and I'm just placing this carefully into my crease and then also onto the outer corner of my eye. And then I do go in with the blending brush I was using just a little bit ago to blend out the harsh edges. And then I'm going and then I'm going back in with that dark brown shade once more to give it a little more depth and dimension on the outer corner. And then I'm just going in once again with a blending brush to soften it up a bit. Then I'm going into this shimmery silver shade from the Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm just putting this all over my lid to where it meets the outer corner. I'm not doing like a super harsh half-cut crease look. I just wanted to put this on my lid, have it a little softer than a half-cut crease, but it still is pretty defined on its own. And I'm just using an Alamar Cosmetics flat shadow brush.
Connect the dots, you better lose the dice, 'cause chances won't suffice. These convoluted set dreams are proven to be real. They've left no bruises, I'm still human. There's nothing left to heal. I'm finally lost.
And then I'm going back into that dark brown and then just making sure those two colors blend really nicely together. Then for the lower lash line, I first went in with that first transition shade that I used, and then I do end up going in with the second transition shade from the Suede Diaries palette that I used as well. And then going in with that darkest brown shade from the Midnight Masquerade palette, I'm just using a small detail brush to press that really close to my lower lashes. Then for mascara, I went in with the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I coated my top and lower lashes. Then to finish off my base, I went in with the Pure Cosmetics Mineral Glow Bronzer, and I just used that to bronze up my cheeks using a Wet n Wild angled fluffy face brush. then I went in with the Laura Geller blush. I'm not sure of the name of this. I'll have it listed down below. I'm just using that to blush up my cheeks using the Aesthetica blush brush. And then for highlight, I went in with this shade from the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette. I'm using a Luxie tapered highlighting brush to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose.
I can't resign to breaking even with a smile. Solace will come till I defy the odds of.
And then I went in with the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in the shade Stone Fox. I am sorry if you could hear bells in the background. I live really close to a church, and they always go off at certain times of the day.
These convoluted set dreams are proven to be real. They've left no bruises. I'm still human. There's nothing left to heal.
And yeah, that pretty much is the end of this video. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I wanted to wish you all a happy new year, 2019. Here we come. And I'll see you in my next one.
I'm finally